case y'all, it's April 5. We are turn 2 at Grattan. Got smart this time, and we're actually marking the track. So hopefully in June, I can send my brother or Bob or anybody else out here and tell them just put a cone wherever all the marks are. Right? Smarter, not harder. Should have done this from the get-go. The reason I'm bringing you up is you're not going to believe it. As I was putting cones, I started in turn 1 after doing the pit lane and across the track, moving all the barriers and stuff back into play. We're the first ones out here, so we got to set the whole place up. Chuck found my camera from October. I was looking way off down here, figure if it fell off coming into 2, traveling a decent amount of speed, it'd be way out here. So while I was out here looking around, Chuck said, hey, is this it? There you go. If it had a waterproof door on it, we'd be good. But it looks like the case lens is cracked. Literally, folks, I stepped it off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 feet off the side of the track. If we'd have just looked around, come around in October. Chuck was out here on his quad, but I mean, you can't see everything, man. You know, you got to watch where you're going. And if I'd have come out here a couple of days after, like I wanted to, it was beautiful. The weather was nice. Remember, we'd have found it. I'm sure it's cooked, but the good thing is we're going to get our card back. Hold on to that, Chuck. Yes, it's even got a little green grunkus on it. Again, if it had a waterproof door, but then if it's got a waterproof door, you can't hear anything. And this was actually on the cart. You can see the lens is probably shot. You know me. You know I'm going to take this thing home and blow it out, put it in a bag of rice. I've retuned these lenses when they got out of focus in the past. You had to take a clip, move it, take a clip, move it, take a clip, move it, and then go back and download it. And you'd say A, adjust B, adjust C, adjust D, and then you find out where it's at and you fine tune it in. Yeah, just because I'm cheap. But there's our card. Our card that Sean Swisz bought us. 64 gigs. That's why I came after this camera. I knew the camera was going to be shot sitting out here all winter. But we got our card back. Good job, Chuck. Good eye. I'm super happy. You know what? The whole dang trip was worth it now, just because I found the camera. So to Jerry Baugren and the rest of the guys that said, hey, or, you know, look for my camera too. Boys, I'm done looking. We'll throw the rest of the cones down and we'll take a look around as best we can on the outside of each corner. And who knows, maybe yours is 8 feet off the track too. Godspeed, God bless. Hang in there, y'all. Get a blessing on the 5th of March. I'm Bub.
I'm Chuck.
And we're hanging out at Grattan, finding our camera. Yeah, buddy.